Hey there! Want to set up a Telegram account on your Android phone? You are in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the whole process of creating a Telegram account quickly and easily on your Android device. So let's jump right into it. Download the Telegram app from the Play Store. Next, launch the Telegram app after it's installed. After that, tap on the Start Messaging button. Now, select your country code and enter your mobile number. Next, tap the blue arrow icon and press Yes to confirm. Then, Telegram will send you a verification code via SMS. Now, enter the verification code, and it will automatically verify your number. And that's how you create a Telegram account on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.